If you're successful, but keep thinking, is this all there is? Or shouldn't life be easier than this? Or here's the one that always got me. I should be further along in my career or my life than this. If that's you, then it's probably time for a mental software update. Let me explain. What would happen if you uploaded and tried to run Microsoft Excel 2003 on a brand new computer today? Let's pretend it would even fire up. What do you think the results would be? Probably glitching, freezing up, loss of data, some pretty major frustrations. And why? Because it was designed for computers in 2003. And listen, it was fantastic and celebrated back then, but today, it does not have the same capabilities to serve our needs, right? Yet, hate to break it to you, but many of us are running outdated subconscious mental programs right now as I speak. Ones that were designed for our lives in 2003 or 1992 or 1980. And listen, they served you back then. They kept you safe or made you feel protected. But now they're just holding you back. And here's the worst part. You don't even know that they exist. Ever have a drag out fight with your partner and can't remember the reason why? Or let something your boss said hijack your entire weekend? Or see a friend accomplish something amazing and you want to be happy for them, but instead you feel depressed or sad? Those are symptoms of old programs. Let me give you a few real life examples from my clients. One client came to me because their company and their teams were hitting all their KPIs. On paper, everything looked incredible, but with every win, he became more and more anxious. He kept thinking any minute now, they're going to realize that I'm not qualified to lead. What is that? Imposter syndrome. Another came to me because they were ready to quit their dream job. They said they trusted their team implicitly, but then it was always, I'll step in just this once to help. I just need to fix it this time so it's done right. Or I can always hand it off later. And over time, you know the drill. Exhaustion, overwhelm, resentment. People were leaving their team, which then what happens? They take more on. We've seen this horror movie before, and we call it burnout. Another client came to me and said, my career is great. All right. Money has never been better. Okay, I'm listening for the challenge. He said, dating feels impossible. The problem is it's always the same grids, the same faces, the same apps. I've tried matchmakers and expensive apps and asked friends, same dates, some MIAs, or ghosting afterwards, or just really poor fits. And the thought that's plaguing them is nothing will ever change. It's not too different when we are at work and someone doesn't feel heard or taken for granted or feel limited in their options. They feel what? Trapped or stuck. And here's what most people miss and the key to solving it all. Imposter syndrome, burnout, feeling stuck. They're all different symptoms, but they have the same root cause. You see, the cause, it's not coming from the outside world. It's coming from inside the house. And the brain does not compartmentalize. Work, relationships, health, it's all running on the same operating system, for good or for bad. So the same reason you got mad when you got that email in your inbox is the same reason you got mad at the barista who got your order wrong, or you felt hurt when somebody canceled plans with you. Same root cause. So if you feel this, hear me when I say, you are not broken. You're just running outdated mental software and you need an update. It's time to let go of Excel 2003 and come get an update so you can join the possibilities waiting for you in the present.